Hello students, we will do the map of Asia. In map of Asia, firstly you are given Pamir Knot. Here this is the Pamir Knot. You knew very well. Here are the Himalayas. Above the Himalaya ranges, at the upper side of the Kashmir, here is Pamir Knot. Next is the Ural Mountains. Ural Mountains you can see here. Ural Mountains you knew very well. This is the border of between Russia and Europe. This is Russia and this side of Europe. You can see this. This is Ural Mountain. Just a straight line you can draw of Ural Mountain. URAL Ural is also correct and ARAL also correct. Next is the Tibetan Plateau. Here is the Nepal, the neighboring country of India. Above that you can put a dot of that showing Tibetan Plateau. Plateau of Tibet, that is called the roof of world. Next is the Arabian Plateau. You can see this side, all this area is the Arabian Plateau. Just put a dot and write Arabian Plateau. Next is the mark two countries of Asia that are island countries. Island countries, here you can mark Philippines and East Timor. This area is the East Timor. Next, a country that lies both in Europe and Asia. Both Europe and Asia. So Russia. Russia is the country that is both in Europe side and Asia also. And next country is Turkey also, that both in Europe and Asia. You can do one of them. You can do Turkey also and you can mark Russia also. Here. Next question is two countries of erstwhile USSR that are now a part of Asia. Earlier they were in USSR. You can see here Georgia and Armenia. Georgia and Armenia. Here Georgia and here was the Arabian Plateau, and at this upper side is Georgia and Armenia. You can point out two countries. Next is the river Yangtze. This is in China. Here the east states of India, that side China, you can mark this river. Next is the countries that are a part of the Malay archipelago. Countries there are Philippines, you have marked earlier also, island also, Philippines. Brunei is the this much part, only this dot is the Brunei. Next is Malaysia. This is Indonesia, Timor and Papua. This part Papua. So these are the countries that are a part of Malay archipelago. Next is the Kuril Islands. Kuril Islands are here. These small dots are Kuril Islands, and that water body separating Asia from North America. Above that Kuril Islands, here are the Bering Sea. You can here write this is the Bering Sea. So this was the map of Asia which was given in your chapter.